here on Camino Real and Del Mar Avenue. So you can see this is the Camino Real, and Del Mar Avenue, Avenida, is actually one of the top places downtown San Clemente. It is walking tour here. Oh man, look at that. Okay, spin, spin. So this here, San Clemente, really a cool town out here.
Thanks, Mom. You got 2 bites.
Overall, I give it a 5-star rating for a town. I'm gonna go on the other side here, cross the crosswalk. Yeah, this is a 5-star town. For sure. Cool surf shop up there.
Okay, bye, friends. Bye.
Got my mask on. So I'm not talking too much because it sounds weird probably. Go back across the street. Getting a nice sunset here. So the Camino Real is actually an old trail the Spanish used to take coming up from Mexico. De Anza. And there's a Spanish padre at San Juan Capistrano. His name is Junipero Serra, I believe. At that old San Juan Capistrano mission. You can see we're on Ola Vista. Nice little area over there for houses. Music, music, music. I did this exact same walking tour earlier today in the morning, but it's definitely more interesting and more people here in the afternoon. Sunset. Let us know in the comments where you're watching from. Also, if this is your first time to Island Hopper TV, you can subscribe. Look at that clock tower right there. Oh, you see it? That'll tell you the exact time. Almost 5 o'clock. That's the library. Yeah, if you haven't already watched our other videos from Laguna Beach, I'll link to those at the end of the video. We're going to do a Dana Point, Oceanside, Carlsbad. So many amazing towns out here in SoCal. So now what I'm going to do is pick up down here at the actual pier. This is just a little bit further walk to the pier. All right. Made it here to the parking lot where you can finally see the pier. And you can see beautiful sunset happening right here, right now in San Clemente. Life is good. Thanks to everyone who hit the like button and subscribed. Got lots of videos on this channel from South Florida. We were just there here in 2021, so you may want to check those out. Sunset just in time, and you can kind of see the Catalina Island in the backdrop. Actually, it's going to be setting right behind Avalon, directly behind Avalon. Pier here, got some surfers, some fishermen.
Not good. No, we're not good. I'm not good. I'm a business owner. I'm not good. I wouldn't be out here collecting petitions if I was good. So. You should ask me how I'm doing.
Beach ice cream and yogurt. That was them doing some political thing to recall the governor of California, I guess. Well, I don't guess. I already know that's what that was. She said she's not too happy as a small business owner with what's happened to her business because of something that he did, I guess, with the COVID, maybe. That's the trail. I'm gonna go underneath here, underneath the pier. Let's see if I can go under the pier. And then I'll wrap around and go onto the pier. Oh, keep playing that good music. Yeah, so there's a really nice trail that goes that way. I think it's called the San Clemente Trail. Look at the beach here. And it actually goes all the way down there. There's a really cool beach here called Trestles, just north of San Onofre. You can see this guy surfing into the sunset. Yeah. Okay. Under the pier. Looks strong enough. That's metal. Now you know what it looks like under here. And there goes the sun right behind Catalina. Look at that shot right there, guys. I'll just chill here for a second and let that sun go down. All right, looks like it finally went around down Catalina, right behind Avalon, which is the town where you arrive. You either arrive in Avalon from Dana Point or from Long Beach. I've only done the Long Beach one, but I do know that it goes out of Dana Point. And it looked like Dana Point was actually closer to get to Catalina than Long Beach on a map. Oh wow. Alright, so we're gonna go up here, see what's looking like up on this pier here. It's the oyster bar, if you're into oysters. I've had oyster shooters there before. And then this one here is the Fisherman's. Great restaurant. There we go. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this episode of Island Hopper TV from San Clemente. And I'll conclude it here. See you guys on the next one.